Right, good morning everyone. Now, I did say I'd come back and do a video. Now I've got this material, it's beautiful brocade. And I thought about doing, you know, like a makeup brush holder, something different. So I think that's what I'm going to do. It was a curtain, so it's already folded and seamed like that. So I'm going to keep that. What I need, because it's quite a long piece, it needs trimming down, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is just because it's cut round there, I don't know if you can see it, so I need to straighten that off. So I'm just going to get my scissors and fold this over and just straighten it off a minute. Doesn't have to be too much, but I thought yeah, makeup brush holder, which you can take like a travel kit. Oh, quite thick there. That'll do. So won't waste that, that'll go on to something else. Now, let me see. I want one that you fold, you know, you roll up, so it's going to roll like that into a bag. And we're also going to put some wadding in to cushion it. So I don't want it any wider than, let me just see, 20 centimetres, I would say. I'm going to do 21 and turn the end in. Or 22, because you need to turn both ends in. So I'm going to do that there, and that there, and there. Because I'm going to have to cut that. So 22. So we need that there, there, and there. I'll just continue with that. How many pockets are we going to put in it? I think that would be big enough, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is to cut that here. Yeah, that's going to be wide enough. When you roll it out, that's how big it'll be. Yeah. And then we need to fold over that end. Right, okay, so I'm just going to fold that end over now. I'm going to do it about that wide. Like that. So it's already done like that. That's alright. And then I need to put the wadding in and then fold that over and then put a backing on, I think. We'll see. Okay, so I need a piece of wadding. Now, I don't need it very thick. Unfortunately for us, we do sell wadding that's 1 inch thick, as well as, I think it's 5 millimeters. So I'm just going to straighten this. Which I can cut down to size as I need it. I'm going to cut that smaller than I need. Let me just work this out. This isn't straight, of course. Now I'm just going to pull that in. I need it to about there. So this needs cutting again. Like that. Don't waste that. You can pull it apart and use it for stuffing. And I am going to bring that in a bit because it needs to put a top on it. And I think that'll do actually. Yeah, just cut this end off. That will do. So I need a piece of fabric to go over that. And I do have, I'm not sure if it'll fit. Let me just see. And don't worry about any that's hanging over, that can be cut off. We could actually, in fact, use it as a book. Could do it like that. But what I wanted to do, actually, I've done that wrong. I really needed to roll that. I was going to roll it with pouches in it. But we'll use it as a book. It doesn't matter. I put that on wrong. Sorry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this fabric here because I love the colour of this to make the pouches. So now this has to be straight. pull that back slightly. That's it. And then all I have to do, and I do have some trim in here, so I'm just going to add that to it. I need to singe the ends. You can make one of these with all your oddments. So I'm going to start that there and only glue it onto the fabric itself. Anything that's over, I can trim off. Just pull that back like that and glue that down like that, and then you just take hold of smaller scissors and you can trim anything back that needs trimming, like those little bits, and there's a little bit here. That's fine. And then we can go back and glue that down where it was. That's it. Now I can also again continue to just edge this. It's just makes it look pretty. Now you don't need lots and lots of laces and trims and all the time. Plain things look pretty neat too. Perfect. And it's got a pin on it so it can be taken off if needed. Perfect. You don't need much. And then what you can do is you've got all of your sections, and you could use it to put, you know, your lighters in there,